Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. As Jamaica looks for its next big swimmer, one parent believes that the prohibitive cost associated with the sport is preventing the country from discovering a global star. Jordan Fort tells us more.
Five-time Olympian Alia Atkinson has been by far the most notable swimmer to emerge from the nation's shores. With a number of championship gold medals and 4 world records, Atkinson blazed a trail. But it's a trail yet to be followed by another Jamaican swimmer. The high cost of preparation is being identified as a major reason for this. Annalise Denny, who is the team manager for Jamaica's Carifta Aquatics team, is also the mother of the outstanding Nelson Denny, who is one of the team members.
And we've had swimmers in the past who've stopped swimming when they reach adulthood because the parents can no longer manage the bills. And that, I think, is partly why we don't have our next big thing yet. We had Alia, who is amazing, and she continues to be an ambassador for Jamaican swimming. But we really, we're ready for the next person. We want persons. We want several people. We want them at the Olympics. We want them at the World Championships. We want them to win medals. We want them to do well. But we do need help.
Georgia Doman, mother of Joanna Doman, can attest to the monetary burden being faced by parents.
I realized that we had to either fundraise or get the money ourselves for the plane ticket, which basically costs $300 per child, and that is because we got it on a sale. And now we're going to be driving to Mobile because it's cheaper. It's a cheaper ticket. And we also have the hotel fee, which is $1,400.
And the expenses don't stop there.
Then we have the costumes that she wears. So she has a solo and a duet. And each costume can cost $100 to $150 if you're working that out. And then we have the little basic things that you have to think about. You have whether coach fee.
The financial strain is compounded for Tracy and Dwyer Thomas, whose daughter Jordana Thomas does both swimming and artistic swimming.
She's training 6 days for the week, which is Monday to Saturday. Only rest days on Sunday. We have to be paying pool fees, club fee for both club, swimsuit for both swimming. Mind you, as I said, they're not cheap. For artistic swimming, costumes will run us like within $100 to $180. For competitive swimming, if she's wearing the professional skins, it's like probably $90 up to like $450 per swimsuit. So it's a lot.
She says her daughter, who has an over 90% average in school, says she wants to go all the way to the Olympics. She says for her to continue to fund that dream, it could add up to quite a tidy sum.
I know she's very determined. So when she said she wants to go to the Olympics, I'm sure she will be going to the Olympics. That's years from now. So tallying up all of those fees, it's a lot. Maybe a house money.
In the meantime, the parents are being asked to fork out close to $300,000 per child for the upcoming Carifta Championships in the Bahamas. The ASAJ has so far received sponsorship from SDF, Burger King and the Indian business community, totaling approximately $5 million, but still has a significant shortfall in its over $11 million budget. It has also gathered funds through fundraising initiatives. Jamaica's entire Carifta contingent is expected to be in the Bahamas by Thursday, with swimming competition set to start on Saturday. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.